Hi guys, in today's how-to video we're looking at HomeSecure.ie and the HomeSecure monitored alarm that's available as an Internet of Things and securing your home with Internet of Things. How secure is it? I got it to take a look at.
System is not ready. Sensor 3 is not ready.
So there you have it guys, really like the app and the monitored alarm system from HomeSecure.ie. For more information visit their website, and that's a bit of the details, HomeSecure.ie. Don't forget, if you like my product reviews or my how-to videos, hit the subscribe button down below. From me, Dawson, thanks for viewing, see you soon.